The Utopia Kitchen Non-Stick Stock Pot Saucepan Set is a great addition to any kitchen. It includes 2 useful sizes. You get a 1-quart pot and a 2-quart pot. These are perfect for small cooking tasks. They are also great for heating up leftovers. The pink and black color adds a fun touch. These Utopia Kitchen Non-Stick Stock Pot Saucepan pots have a non-stick coating. This means food will not stick easily. Cleaning them is also very easy. You can cook with less oils because of this. The handles are black and seem easy to grip. The set also comes with lids. These lids help keep the heat in while cooking. Customers will find these pots quite handy for daily use. Overall, the Utopia Kitchen Non-Stick Stock Pot Saucepan Set is a good value. The 2 different sizes offer versatility. The non-stick surface is a big plus for easy cooking and cleaning. These pots could easily rank high for simple kitchen tasks. They are not fancy devices, but they get the job done. For the low fees, these pots are a smart buy for us. Pros: easy to clean, lightweight design, easy to handle, includes lids, 2 useful sizes, good for sauces, good for pasta, good for leftovers, heat-resistant paint, Bakelite handles. Cons: smaller pot is small, not for induction. 1 quart. Non-stick may scratch, hand wash only, handle can feel heavy, bottom may change color. Thinner pan walls, uneven heating. Possible features: 2-piece set, 1 quart pot, 2 quart pot, non-stick coating, easy to clean, pink and black. Includes lids, Bakelite handles, aluminum alloy, heat resistant. This Utopia kitchen set has 2 pots. One is 1 quart and the other is 2 quarts. They are pink and black and have a non-stick coating, which makes them easy to clean. The pots come with lids and have black handles that are made to not get too hot. They are made of aluminum alloy and can handle heat. These pots can be used at home, in the kitchen, or even in a restaurant. This Utopia Kitchen Non-Stick Stock Pot Saucepan Set includes 2 lightweight pots, 1 quart and 2 quarts, with lids and Bakelite handles. Designed for easy handling and cleaning. They are suitable for making sauces, pasta, and reheating leftovers. The pots feature a non-stick coating and heat-resistant paint, but the non-stick surface may scratch, and they require hand washing. The smaller pot is quite small and the 1-quart pot is not for induction cooktops. Some potential drawbacks include the handle feeling heavy, the bottom possibly changing color, thinner pan walls, and the chance of uneven heating.